Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty with a unique perspective. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to restore your nails to their healthiest state, Kerasal Nighttime Nail Repair Patches. If you've been dealing with nail fungus damage or discoloration and haven't found a solution that works, this might just be the game changer you need. Let's break it down. The Kerasal Nighttime Nail Repair Patches come in a pack of 14 patches and 5 files, which is already an interesting offering. The idea behind this product is simple but effective. Treat fungal nail damage while you sleep. It's the first of its kind designed to be applied overnight, allowing it to penetrate and work its magic without requiring any active attention during the day. These patches do more than just mask the problem. They aim to restore the nail's appearance by moisturizing and exfoliating the nail plate. This process helps reduce discoloration and normalizes the nail's thickness, leaving it smoother and looking healthier. If you've ever tried typical prescription nail fungus treatments, you know they often focus on treating the infection without much regard for the nail's appearance. Kerasal, however, is designed with both healing and aesthetics in mind. Now, when it comes to using the patches, they are quite easy to apply. Just peel and stick before bed, and they'll stay in place for 6 to 8 hours, offering consistent treatment. The patches are hygienic and don't require any fussing, which I really appreciated. The application feels discreet and comfortable, so you won't even notice them while you sleep. In terms of performance, after using the patches for several nights, I did notice an improvement. My nails appeared less discolored, and the texture of the affected nails seemed to smooth out a bit. This wasn't an overnight miracle, though. I saw gradual improvements over the span of a few weeks, which is typical for any nail treatment targeting fungus damage. Patience is key, as the product recommends using the patches consistently for 3 to 6 months for optimal results. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, these patches are incredibly easy to use. You don't need to remember to do anything throughout the day. Just apply them at night, and they do the work. The exfoliation is also gentle, so it doesn't cause irritation or discomfort, which I've found to be a common issue with some other treatments. The fact that they're from a doctor-recommended brand adds some weight to the claim of being effective. On the flip side, I have to mention the treatment period. While this isn't a negative in itself, it's important to understand that you won't see fast results. It's more of a long-term investment in your nails, and you need to be prepared for that commitment. Also, if you're looking for something that you can use during the day for convenience, the patches do work in that capacity, but they are optimized for nighttime use. When it comes to value for money, the Kerasal Nighttime Nail Repair Patches are priced in line with other nail fungus treatments on the market. But they stand out because of their dual purpose, healing and improving the look of the nail. If you're dealing with nail fungus and want a product that restores both health and appearance, it's a solid investment. So, how does Kerasal compare to similar products? Well, when you think about traditional prescription nail fungus treatments, most of them are focused purely on the infection, often leaving the nail looking rough. Kerasal, on the other hand, works to improve the overall nail appearance. So if that's a priority for you, this is definitely a step up in terms of value. As for build quality, the patches are well made and the packaging is neat, keeping everything hygienic and easy to access. The files included in the pack are also practical for prepping your nails before application, which is a nice touch. If you've used prescription treatments before or other nail fungus repair products, you know that they can sometimes leave you wondering if there's any hope for your nails. The Kerasal patches provide a simple, effective alternative, and though they take time, they are a reliable option for long-term treatment. For those of you looking for alternatives, there are other antifungal nail treatments, but none of them seem to focus on improving the appearance of the nail as effectively as Kerasal does. If you're just looking for a fast fix or something that works instantly, this may not be for you. However, if you want something that improves the overall health and look of your nails over time, Kerasal is a great choice. To wrap up, Kerasal Nighttime Nail Repair Patches do deliver on their promise. They offer a unique combination of treating fungal damage while improving the nail's appearance. With consistent use over time, you will start to see results. For those dealing with nail fungus and looking for a solution that works while you sleep, I'd highly recommend giving this a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used Kerasal or have any other favorite nail treatments, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.